Good old rain showers, Dominican Republic style. A little roadside stop here, the usual thing on a tour. Pizza delivery, I think that is. Oh, maybe not. Nice little fruit stand here. Shop. We just did a taste testing, but by this guy calling himself the real Maradona. Sure looks like Maradona. And this fruit here, is what we've sampled, is amazing. Oh my gosh, so delicious. Look at the size of those tomatoes too. They sell everything, all locally produced. volcanic soil. Hi, doggy.
Hijo con 500 mujeres, tomaba 15 tazas de cacao diario. Entonces parte, ustedes pueden ver, feasting day al sol, 15 días al sol,
Cacao.
Kenyu, al soleil. Soleil.
¿Tiene aroma?
Claro, mi amor. Va cambiando. Venga, primo. Sonría, sonría. Está mareado el primo. Está mareado. ¿Qué mamá Juana? Grande
Uno
potencia.
otro tiempo. Oh, look at that when you drink Mama Juana. Oh. Give me the whole bottle. That's a really different way of living out here. Yeah, I think that's palm kernel oil they're producing there. Oh no, bananas. Banana trees, okay. Cool. What a lush landscape. Lots of banana trees. Alright, here we are, first beach, the Playa Rincón. Those guys, the ATVs are from my hotel. Amazing, no hotels, nothing here. One of the nicest beaches in the Caribbean, Rincon. Handful of chairs. Oh, it's gorgeous, yeah, it's phenomenal. So here we are, we're stopped. We're gonna have a little lunch here shortly. I don't know, I think this is their cooking station right here. Amigo, ¿cómo está hoy? Bien? Ah, pollo. Pollo. Lobster, langosta. Ah, perfecto. I'm gonna take a look at the cooking station. Then I'll go join Amy here at the beach. Amy Lee. Oh, very cool.
Hola.
Hola, ¿cómo está? Look at that old-fashioned chark. They're gonna serve here lunch, and I think I'm gonna pass on that lunch. Hate to be a snob, but I saw the flies in the raw chicken, and then of course they got shellfish right beside it. So this is the Rincon Beach. Well, famous Rincon Beach. Gonna hop in here, quick second here. Amy, Emily, look at that water. Woohoo! All right, gonna try this water firsthand. See what it's like. One of the nicest beaches I've ever been to. Doing a Kurt Katz here. What he calls Kurt dips, I call Kevin dips. Oh, that's nice. Really nice. Ooh. Little colder than I would have thought. Rincon Beach. Quite a drive to get here. Well worth it though. They say it's one of the nicest beaches in the Caribbean. Looks like there's a bit of a tidal pool out there, or a breakwater. Oh yeah. Woohoo! Yeah! Woohoo! Feel that water. Woohoo! Woo-wee. Awesome water. Woo-wee. It's not as warm as I would have expected, but not bad. Not bad. Okay there, so here I am, Rincon Beach. Let's take a quick look around. Now I'm seeing my friend Amy Lee from Quebec disappeared somewhere. But keep an eye on my stuff because you never know. People are pretty good, but they are very poor. And after seeing the way they cook chicken and lobster with no refrigeration in sight and lots of flies, I think I'm going to pass on that lunch. Not to be a snob, just don't want to get sick. Alright, we're trying to get out of here now with my Cuba Libre. Say hi, Amy. Off to another beach now. Okay, here we go, leaving Rincon Beach. Nice beach, great water. Not a lot of people here. Very underdeveloped compared to other beaches. I can see this going the other way though. Give it 20 years or so. Party hotels all along here. Through vast jungle just to get out here on the beach. Oh, and finally we're on a good road. There are wild dogs here. Whoa. Just stopped for a quick spot here at this little river and Rincon, or the river. Amy, did you want to say hi to my camera? To my YouTube? To my YouTube crowd? Okay, and that's Amy. She's from Trois-Rivières, Quebec. And this is where the river meets the ocean. Very warm. And this is a big swimming hole for a lot of the locals here. And they got the usual little cafe there, a couple cafes. These guys boating like it's on the, like they're in Venice. That's a cool idea. Great way to see the little creek here. Back at the hotel after a long day.